In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contractors in QuickBooks Online. Before we dive into the steps, make sure you have your QuickBooks Online account set up. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Simply go to the QuickBooks website and follow the instructions to create your account. Once that's sorted, we can proceed. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in to QuickBooks Online. Enter your username and the associated password to access your account. Once logged in, you might be prompted about the company file you'd like to work on. Select the appropriate company file from the list and click Continue to proceed to your dashboard. The dashboard is the central hub in QuickBooks, where you can see an overview of your financial activities. Next, navigate to the Payroll overview by selecting it from the menu options. The Payroll section is where you manage all things related to your staff and contractors. Once you're in the Payroll section, locate the Contractors option and click on it. This section is specifically designed for managing contractors, distinct from regular payroll employees. To add a contractor, find the option that says Add Contractors to the Team and click on it. If this is your first time adding a contractor, you may see an option labeled Add Your First Contractor. Click on this to begin the addition process. You'll be prompted to enter the contractor's details. Start by typing the contractor's full name in the designated field. Make sure you spell the name correctly, as this information is crucial for documentation and any potential 1099 forms you would need to issue later. Next, enter the contractor's email address. Double check the email for any typing errors, since QuickBooks may use this email to communicate important details or changes. After entering the necessary information, click on Add Contractor to finalize the process. This action effectively saves the contractor's profile to your QuickBooks account, listing them as part of your team. That's it. You've successfully added a contractor to your QuickBooks Online account. This process ensures that you can easily manage payments and track expenses related to contractors right from your QuickBooks dashboard. QuickBooks will also help you handle the necessary paperwork like issuing 1099 forms at the end of the year. By following these steps, you'll streamline your accounting processes, making it easier to handle the financial aspects of your business. Don't forget to review the contractor's details periodically to keep your records accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification.